Alright, what's up everybody? We're back. I'm AAL Depths, and today I'm going to be trying to do the Year of the Jellyfish on TryHackMe. Heard a lot of good things about this box. It's hard. Yes, I already got my machine spun up. I'm connected to the VPN. And yeah, let's get into it. So, starting off, let's read what we got. Be warned, this box deploys with a public IP. Think about what that means for you and how you should approach this challenge. ISPs are often unhappy if you enumerate public IP addresses at a high speed. Alright, so don't get blocked. Oh, I'm connected to VPN. That means I don't have to be connected to VPN. So I'm gonna close this. Stop that. Alright. Awesome. This box was part of a competition giving away at OSCP. Oh well, it's too late now. I'm pretty sure this box is pretty old. Yeah, it's ended. The winners can be found in the TryHackMe Discord. Alright, cool. Well, box spun up. We got our IP address. Let's start this. So since we don't need the VPN, let's close that. Let's see if we can just ping it. And we're not getting anything. Nope, it's not what I want. See if we bring up some Firefox. Maybe we can browse to it. Okay. Well, we got a domain name back, but we're still not receiving any ping. Maybe it's just not accepting pings. That's cool. So let's add that to our Etsy host. See what we get from there. So sudo nano. Yeah, I took a little break from the Wreath network. We're pretty much at the point where my last point was at the antivirus evasion. I might pick it up after this box. See how we're going. See how we're doing. Alright, so that's our domain name. Let's get rid of the HTTPS. Let's go like that. What's our IP address? Got it. Let's add that in here. All right. Control X save. All right. So we got HTTPS self-signed certificate. I don't want to learn more. What does the certificate look like? Where is their certificate? Here we go, view certificate. All right, so Robin's Pet Shop, email address, could be something we need later. robinspetshop.thm. Oh. Look at these subdomains. What? Alright. So, yeah, let's put these subdomains. Let's take a little screenshot. Let's just open an image editor right here. Keep that for later. What else we got? All right, some public key info. I don't see anything else. That's good find though. The subdomains. Don't even have to really enumerate. Maybe. Let's accept and continue. Alright, Robin's Pet Shop. Welcome to the best pet shop in Bristol. Fred the Goldfish. Honey Beagle Puppy Shop. Alright. Credence the Charmeleon. Gerald the Giraffe. Alistair the Alligator. Alright. What's this? Is that supposed to be Bristol, New Jersey? Staff at Robin's Pet Shop.thm. Don't know what that is. Look at the page source. Where's the source? It's F12, right? Nope. There it is, view page source. Alright, we just got some styling. I don't see anything worth noting really. I guess I'm looking for any comments, any like domains that really pop out. Alright. So what do we got with those domains? So that's the first thing to note. Wasn't accepting any pings. Public network. Let's go to the monitor. Or what was the next one? Monitor. Alright. See if that'll resolve. Or if we have to add it to our Etsy host. Alright, we're going to have to add that guy. Alright, let me get rid of the HTTPS. Yeah, now we're going to have to add him. So, actually, let's create... I didn't even create a directory for this guy yet either. So let's make directory CTF, TryHackMe, the Jellyfish. Now let's cd to that directory. Cool. Let's just start like little notes. Text. Nano. So we found these guys. I gotta put on my other screen. Found monitor. Dot Robin's Tech Pet Shop. Dot THM. Beta. Dot Robin's Pet Shop. Dot THM. And dev. Dot Robin's Pet Shop. Copy these. Cool. And then I'm just gonna write machine does not accept ICMP. Save that. Sudo nano Etsy host, add those in there. Actually, let's just copy this. Paste. We'll add monitor, beta, and dev. Okay, we should be able to go to that website now. Should resolve. No. Alright, what am I doing wrong? Monitor dot. I don't want to Google search, I just want to go to the website. Monitor dot Robbins BYNS Attack Pet Shop THM. I don't want a walkthrough. I want to do this by myself. Does dev work? Why is it not resolving all of a sudden? Let's try Google. Let's try dev.robbins petshop.th. Dave? What the hell? What is that? Pet shop. Alright. Why is this not resolving anymore? To clear all cache and cookies. Preferences. History. Clear history. Let's try the IP address again. See if it'll just resolve from that. Alright, there we go. It worked. Now let's try dev, so it's easier to type. Okay. I don't know what was going on. It just not go back. Here's some more certificate info. Okay, it just has the same stuff. Let's just go ahead and move on. Alright, so what's the difference? Pico was made by Gilbert Pellegrom and is maintained by the Pico community, released under their MIT license. Okay. That just goes to a GitHub. You can see by the bottom left, it just tells you usually where it redirects. Alright, so I guess let's view the source, see if there's anything different. These are just the pictures that we saw before. Yeah, I don't see anything different. Let's go to beta. Let's work backwards, I guess. Beta. Advanced. Your certificate. Same stuff. Alright. I don't see anything new. Ooh, under construction. This site is under development. Please be patient. If you have been given a specific ID to use when accessing this development site, please put it at the end of the URL. Beta.robinspetshop THM ID here. So what did we find earlier? We found the dude's name, didn't we? Or Robin. Let's just try Robin. B-Y-N. ID. Or question mark for query. ID equals Robin. Page source. Huh. All right, let's go to that. That's definitely something to come back on. Let's go to the last site. Monitor. Advanced. Let's look at the certificate. Looks like the same certificate for all of them. PEM. All right. Accept. Oh, I still have that at the end of it. Am I spelling that wrong? Is it 2 R's? Oh yeah, it's 2 R's. I think I spelled it wrong in the Etsy host too. Yeah, I did. Save that. Yeah, it's the same thing. All right. What is this? Toggle refresh interval. Is this like a pro application monitoring the server? Is that okay, it's a version. User preferences, monitor settings. Okay, so this is the GitHub page. What exactly is it? It's my dog. Sorry about that. What you guys working at? You're fine. Monitor is a self-hosted PHP web app that monitors the status of a local and remote network service, websites, and applications. Awesome. All right, and we have a version number. That's better than the beta because I have to do a lot more research on that. I think this I could probably just enter in the search split. Search split. Monitor. What was the number? 1.7.6. What? Remote code execution. PHP. All right, cool. Let's look at that. Search split. Tech X. No, Tech M. For mirror this file path. All right. so let's rename this to monitor exploit. Exploit.py. Let's pull this up in Sublime. What exactly is this guy doing? So remote code execution was made in 2020. It's Python 3. That's good. .7.6. That's what we got on our site over here, right? Yep. Okay. Request OS and system. If length of system argument does not equal 4. Print specify parameters, format Python. So RV0, that'd be the exploit itself. And it wants the URL, lhost, and lport. Okay, so URL is going to be our first argument. What is this? Is this a directory we can browse to? Assets PHP upload. What is not an image exceeds the web server's upload size limit? Data user string already exists. All right, so this is something we can browse to, and whatever we did is not an image. All right. All we did was browse to it, but it looks like it wants to upload something to that directory. Headers equals user agent Mozilla. Can we wrap this? Wrap text. It's like. How do you do that? Text. Wrap. There we go. I don't know what I just did. Let's look. I don't know how to do that. Let's wrap text. How to wrap text in Sublime. No, how to do it. To wrap, select content with HTML tag. Just select your text, then press Alt-Shift-W. All right, let's try that. Alt-Shift-W. There we go. No, it didn't do anything. All right. Well, let's just make it cleaner because it's all the way out here. All right, so accept language, coding. Whoops. Content type. Origin. Connection. Close refer. Okay. Data equals. So this is just the request. No, I'm gonna move this to down here. All right, that's a lot easier to read. It's basically like what it looks like in Burp Suite. So it's just taking our URL of origin, putting it in those arguments. And then what is the data? It looks like we're sending a random string of numbers. And here's our PHP shell, it looks like. I wish, is it doing that? Alright, so we're calling bin bash right here. I guess argument 2 and argument 3 is our IP address and port that we want to call back to. And we got this again. Accept. Okay. Requests, and then do we print the result or print data? File name is shell.php. Alright, so let's try this. Target URL, lhost, lport. Awesome. Got someone coming in the chat. So let's clear this. If I could type. Open up a new pane. Could you guys see that? Oh yeah, I think you can see that. And let's set up in this listener. Netcat EMP. Port do we want to listen on? It's over the actual internet, so it's HTTPS, so it's over TLS. 443. I don't know, maybe this will work. So let's do Python 3 monitor exploit.py, and it wants target URL. We don't have to add any of that because it's gonna automatically append that. All we need is this guy. And then lhost, what's my IP address? Ooh. I don't know if this is gonna work. I have a private IP right now. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. Because we're in a public. How am I gonna set up? How am I gonna set up this to call back to my virtual machine? Maybe you can use ngrok, right? I heard of that. Ngrok. I think I have it downloaded on my machine before, actually. Let's check it. Let's close this for now. See if we can find ngrok. Tag type, file, tag name, ngrok. Probably should use sudo for that. Direct all errors to dev null. Hey JP, if you join, I started the year the Jellyfish box. We're still basically at the beginning, but I found this subdomain that was in the certificate that has a exploitable web server that's basically just monitors. It says the version and everything right here. Basically all we did is just look up a search exploit, and we're trying to figure out how to run this exploit. It didn't find anything. If I just do the name. No, it might be my opt. Locate ngrok. No, okay, I have to download. I know I made an account before. I've used this so long ago. So basically, from my understanding, ngrok is just a way to make your local host available to the public internet, and like WebSockets and all that. I'm pretty sure it connects via SSH to their server, and then their server will route traffic back to your local host on the public internet. So with a domain they give you, right? So ngrok, I know I have an account. So I'm gonna log in. All right, we still got an hour 30. I'm gonna put this over here. ngrok. All right. Oh yeah, back over here. Password. Email. All right, we're logged in. Download for Linux, because apparently I don't have it. That should go to my downloads, and then unzip path to ngrok. .zip. All right. So CD downloads. Yep, there it is. So unzip ngrok. What did I say? Cannot find zip directory. One ngrok version 3 stable Linux. Unzip ngrok from a terminal with the following. Alright, how are we gonna... Why is this not working? It's not a tar. Maybe gunzip. Gunzip ngrok. Now it's a tar. Alright. Tar xvf. I don't remember the exact syntax. Unzip tar file. Here we go. Tac xvf. Okay, I did have it right. Tac xvf. xvf ngrok. Why didn't I know? Unzip. Tac v3. Sorry guys, I'm struggling a little bit. Oh, it's right there. It worked. So ngrok HTTP or TCP, right? That's one of the. So running this command will add your auth token. So if we want to add our authentication token, you just say auth token. Where is our authentication token? Is this my authentication token? Maybe. Alright. To start a HTTP tunnel forwarding to your local port 80, run this text. Run this. Alright, well we're on port 443. So maybe HTTP port 443. Forwarding to local port 443 or a local HTTPS. Your auth token is not available in your dashboard. Already signed up, make sure. Okay, so I have to do my auth token. Where is my auth token? If you have already signed up, make sure your auth token is installed. Your auth token is available on your dashboard. Ngrok get started your auth token. What did it say? Your auth token? Your tag auth token. There we go. Alright, let's do it down here though. Oh no, wait, I have to have that guy up, I think. And let's CD to home and downloads. What? There's ngrok, HTTP 443 and tac auth token, right? Oh, I guess we could just add it, but maybe this will work. Auth token. That's my auth token. It'll work. Alright, I want to close that for a second. Oh, okay, it's just tac auth token. Okay, so looks like it's working. And we have our forwarding address right here. Can we browse to it? Why can't I copy this? Error. Traffic was successfully tunneled to the ngrok agent, but the agent failed to establish a connection to the upstream web service on localhost 443. Connection refused. Dial TCP. Is that an option? I guess we try TCP. Is that HTTP? Okay, that works. The connection was reset. You have to put TCP in here. Maybe it did work. Let's split this and start a netcat listener on port 443. See if we get any hits, cause maybe it'll work. All right. Okay, so we got a hit. So host. Awesome, we got a hit. Let's see if we close out of it, see what happens. All right, yeah, so it hangs when we get a hit. All right, so this is good. So now we can go ahead and try this. Instead of using an IP address, we need to use this guy right here. That's forwarding to localhost. All right, let's set up our netcat listener. All right, so let's copy this guy. Clear that, and let's do. We need to go back one and CTF TryHackMe. You're the Jellyfish. There is the exploit, Python 3, monitor exploit.py, and then we want not that URL, that's where our IP address is going to be, but we want this, not that guy, I want this guy. That guy. And then 4, 3. Invalid URL. I didn't think it was going to work the first time. Didn't even get a hit. Trace back. Line 24. Request exceptions missing schema. Invalid URL. Okay, maybe I need to add HTTPS. Let's try that. SSL error. Oh. We have to skip the verification of the certificate. So how do we do that? Alright, I forgot to save that. So how do you do that? How to bypass SSL certificate in Python requests. How do I disable security certificate Python check in Python requests? Import requests. Requests can also ignore verifying the SSL certificate if you set verify to false. That's it. That's easy. Alright, let's do that. So request, so come over here, comma, verify equals false, and then over here, verify equals false. Those are our requests. Save that. See what we got now. Syntax error. Line 1. Oh. Where did that come from? Oh my god. All right. We didn't get any hits, so what is our insecure request? Unverified HTTP request. All right, well, we skipped that, but what's the problem? What are the results? Can we print out like the results? So can we print the request? Print requests. Oh well, that didn't work. Requests dot txt. What are we missing? How do we print requests in Python? How to print requests in Python. Python requests. There we go. I'm not using pretty print. Request.requests. S equals request.session is that. Python send request to print response. There we go. So import requests, print response.text. R equals request.get. Print R equals request.get. So maybe we can go in here and set R equals to requests.get. And then we put our stream equals true. Oops. We want Robin's Pet Shop. Whoops. THM. Comma stream. Stream equals true, right? Stream equals true. Okay, just print R. Oh, duh. Should probably wrap that in quotes. R equals. No, I'm doing that wrong. Yeah, that's not working. If I just set this to R. R equals that. And then let's print R. Print R dot. What are my options? Just print R. Save it, and then go back over here. Try again. Okay, did we get something else? A shell script should be uploaded. Now we try to execute it. Execute request. Unverified HTTPS request is being made to adding certificate verification is recommended. Response of 404. What, is this site not up? Why are we getting a 404? Are we missing something? Is there like a cookie? Where is that? Assets. I think their cookies are stored here. Storage. Okay, there is a cookie. So we need to add that. Human is human equals 1. So we need to set cookies, comma, cookies equals is human right? Oh, is human. And that is 1. How do you print the text of the response? r.text? I don't know. Alright, let's see if this works though. Did I do that wrong? Alright, so back to Google. How to add cookies in Python. How do I send requests with cookies? Name. Is it just cookie? This is no good. Python request with cookies. With cookie. So cookies equals cookies. Oh, am I forgetting those brackets? I think so. That makes it a dictionary. Duh. Alright, so let's put those brackets around them. Alright. Did I save? Oh, it's up here. Alright, save it. Let's see if it works. Should work. Still getting a 404. We need to figure out how to print the actual like text response. How to print text response in Python. Response.text. Alright. Import request. Okay, we got request.get, printing request response.text. That's it. That option doesn't show up in here though. r.text. Save. Oh, okay. Finally. Alright, let's lower this guy. So it's just not found at all. Server port 443. / address. So what do we have to modify our command we got going on here? Monitor Robbins petchat.th. All right. HTTP. Not found. What is going on? It's still up. We got our cookie. We're not getting that error anymore. Copy that. Why is it not finding it? So yeah, we got the argument. Argument 0 is this guy right here. Argument 1 is this guy, and then 2 is this, and 3 is this. And the script says right here, specify params and format, Python, whatever. It's just argument 1. That's our exploit. Target URL, L host, that's the ngrok, and then L port is the port we want to listen on, and that's 443, because right here we're listening on 443, and we're having this point to localhost 443. Yeah. So why am I getting a 404? Does it want me to enter the entire? No, because it adds it onto this. Assets. Ooh, maybe I gotta get rid of that. Not found. Requested URL is not found on this server. What? What does it mean? Any suggestions, JP? Because it should append that on the end of my argument right here. I spelled monitor wrong here. Dot Robbins. I don't know what to do. Can I just find Robin's Pet Shop? Not found. Can I curl it? Curl. Okay, well, finds it there. HTTPS / I think TAC-K for curl is ignore certificates. All right, well, we can find it there. What's the issue? Don't get it. What am I missing? What am I missing? Okay, let's just ls tac la move monitor to mon it tor pi. It's bothering me. Python 3. Let's just see if we run it. What does it say? Target URL, lhost lport. Yep, target URL lhost lport. Our target URL is https://mon it tor dot robins pet shop .thm, and then our IP address, our lhost, and then our lport. I don't get it. User agent. Origin refer. Why is this not working? Okay, request.post URL. So post our URL, headers, data, verify equals false, cookies is human 1. Found all that. So let's read the entire. Shell script should be uploaded and I'll try to execute it. But we're getting a 404 not found. Address, Ubuntu server, port 443. Alright, let's fire up Burp Suite. Actually, I might just start from scratch. Yeah, it's all good. We're gonna tinker with the requests a lot faster with Burp Suite. Let's turn on that guy. Okay, so this is very small. Let's see if we can enlarge the text. Display font size. Let's do like 18. There we go. 18, and then I think this will change the size of the font in the actual request area. All right, proxy, intercepts on. Let's send this request. And see why this isn't working. Oh, did it catch it or no? No, it didn't even. Did not catch it. Is it not even like going out? On. Listen to port 8080. All right, so let's try to check this one more time. Monitor. That seems to be working fine. All right, search split. Let's start from not from scratch. Let's just see what the differences are. Monitor. Let's bring this guy down. And let's just do it from here, see if we get, we still need to print a response from that guy, so let's double this guy, 48, whatever. So we'll do R equals that, and we'll print R.text, save that. Without, we do know we need to set verify equal false. So verify equals false, and that request, the verify equals false in this request, to ignore the SSL certificate. We're not even going to set the cookie or anything. We're just need to see if we can reach out to the server. So Python 3, 4, 8, whatever. This IP. Domain, your URL. Our callback. And then the port we're listening on. Not found. It clearly can be found now. So it's not anything. I know it's going to be something really stupid. Yeah, this request just fails if you don't set verification equal false. Let's just try messing with our syntax here. found. It doesn't like that. Missing invalid URL. Okay, so it is querying that URL. It's adding the assets PHP upload, which is available. Okay, I gotta turn this guy off. Alright, let's sensor repeater. And maybe we can copy all this stuff, all the header information into Burp Suite. Well, that didn't work too well. Let's try this a different way. So we're trying to post, right? It's a post request, so we need to change that to post. Post host THM assets. Is that what's wrong? Whoops. No, that's not our issue. Just THM. Host / assets / uploads upload.php. Well, turn it off right now. Oh man. Okay. We know we can reach it. I'm done with that. I'm not even gonna try it. We can curl it just fine. If I just take out, just copy this, just take this out. It's not saving. What? Oh yeah, I forgot to change the name. Oh, we got something different. Upload error. Oh, okay, we got something different. This was said when we browsed there by ourselves. So really, it was just not appending it correctly. That's annoying. So assets / upload. That was a PHP, and then uploads.php. All right, so we got is not an image or exceeds the web server's upload size limit. Data, whatever, user image already exists. So why didn't that work? All right, so we finally got moving forward a little bit. That was kind of painful, but we figured it out. So what is it? What exactly is it uploading now? So file upload, file name, shell.php. Well, yeah, that's not an image. We could try to bypass that. Or like append like an image name or image extension before the PHP. All right, yeah. So this is the name. It might not just like the name. Let's try that. Let's try JPEG. No, JPG. Save that. Let's run it. Non-image. So did it upload the what I told it to upload though? A shell script should be uploaded. All right, let's try PNG. Non-image. What are some other PHP 5? Just cause I know that sometimes works. No. Or some other file extensions. Picture file extensions. PDF. Okay, I tried JPEG. Oh, I didn't try JPEG. If that doesn't work, we'll go to GIF. PHP. Just checking to see if I have to change that name anywhere else or it won't work either. Oh wait. Image GIF, so it's telling it it's already a GIF image. All right, we'll try that after. See if this works. Okay. Non-image. All right, let's try GIF. Let's try GIF. GIF. Is it even uploading it? Upload error. Is not an image, exceeds web server. Upload size limit. Data/user already exists. What? What is this? Assets, data, user image. So this is where it gets uploaded to. So instead of naming it P and or with a PHP, let's just try that. See if it uploads. It's not an image. All right, something's weird here. Okay. It's absolutely an image. Whoops. Name equals file to upload, file name dot php 5. It's just not uploading anything. I don't know why. At least we're finding the server now. URL sends all that. Do I have the cookie correct? Inspect element. Is human 1. Is human 1. Is human 1. File name. Only occurs once. So what if instead of naming it shell, we just name it like picture dot png. So it's just not doing it at all. Oh man, what am I doing wrong? URL equals Oh, this could be it. Okay, so this is where it's probably going to get a little funky. This is probably what's going on right here. Because we already have assets, but we go to PHP uploads. This isn't going to work. Say URL equals instead of taking in a system argument, we'll just put in this. Oops. User image and then picture. What do we have it named? Picture.png. That should work. All right. It worked. Awesome. All right, now let's add the PHP at the end of it. See if that works. Or let's see if it's here. Oh yeah. Okay. All of a sudden now it has all those. All right. So now we just need to add that PHP at the end of it so it executes it. Hopefully. And then change it right here. Alright, JP, see ya, dude. Alright, this should work. Bad request all of a sudden. What does the original say? Says it's just going to that. Okay. Mine's user image. Ooh, did I run out of time? No. Just add an hour just in case. It doesn't like... I guess it's not uploading that PNG. So let's change this to JPG. See if that works. That's why it's not doing it. .php. I have to change this too. JPG.php. Save it. Let's run it. Not found. Didn't upload it. Okay. Oh. I typed wrong. Not found. Didn't upload it. Let's try GIF. Not found. Maybe PHP 5. Picture.gif.php 5. No. Come on, man. Let's go back to shell. What was the original name? Shell what? Shell.php. Control V. Nope. Let's look up bypass a filter. How to bypass filters. Upload. How are we gonna Google this? Server upload filter bypass extensions. Bypass server upload restrictions. Alternative extensions that can be used to get around blacklist filters. Oh. PHP with a capital. All right, let's try those. PHP. I gotta add the GIF. I'm sticking with GIF because That's what this is calling it right here. So I'm going to stick with that. Let's try the capital letters. No. Doesn't like that either. Can you do all capitals? Does that work? Nope. Can we even upload GIF anyway? Just upload that. Yeah, okay, so the GIF works. We're just getting caught by the filter. So let's go back. Refresh, there it is. GIF dot PHP 7. Let's try PHP 7. PHP 7 and dot PHP 7. Saved. And nope. PHP.text. PHTML. Try that one. Please work. It looks like it worked, but we don't have a callback. It did work. Oh wait, this one worked too. GIF.php. It's not executing though, or we're just not receiving the connection? Huh. Yeah, there it is. There's the data. We don't see anything because the code got executed. Aren't those the magic bits for a GIF? Let's check that out. Monitor exploit toolkit GitHub. What does this say? Okay, let's modify this bin bash for a PHP reverse shell. Let's try that. See if that'll work. Might not just be liking this. So PHP versus shell. We know the server has PHP on it. Pentest monkey. Okay, now I need like a quick one-liner. Reverse shell cheat sheet. Here we go. PHP. Yeah, that's what we got in there. Assumes TCP uses full descriptor. If it doesn't work, try 4, 5, or 6. It still has the exec bin bash. I don't think it's like in the ngrok. Let's see if it's still up. Yeah, it's not working. I can't reach it. We might have to just go on like a cloud server, spin up like a cloud server and then run this. All right, let's do that. I got a Linode account, so I'm gonna go spin up cloud server on Linode. Log in. I haven't logged in a while on this thing. Get out of here. I thought, did I sign in with Google? All right. Ubuntu. I don't remember my password. Launch. I could just SSH into it. Here we go. Power on the node. And then I'll just SSH into it from my Kali box. That should be my IP address right there. Network. Settings. I reset my password. I don't remember my password. Alright. Reset password on the node. Ubuntu password on the node. Select a Linode, click shutdown, turn off your Linode, click rescue tab. Is there a rescue tab? Alright, let's power off. I don't see no rescue tab. Oh, password reset. No, can't search like that. Oh, new root password. All right. I'm gonna bring this over here. Copy. Sorry guys, I'm making a new password. Password. All right, save. All right. Cool. All right, new password set. Power on the node. Yeah, it's powered on. It's booting, okay. Let's go back here. Let's close out this ngrok. Let's stop that. Clear, and we'll SSH into the Linode machine as soon as it's done booting. Oh, whoops. All right, it's running. So let's do this. Try again. There we go. I am root. I'm on my the Linode machine. So IPA. There is my IP address. Right here. All right. We need to modify. Oh no, this should be pretty easy. So all we have to do is just modify this. And add that. And then set up a netcat. Do I have a netcat? Cool. Netcat, so zoom in on this. Netcat, back LVNP 3. All right, don't try to connect to me, please. Should work. And we got nothing. Why? Why is it not executing? Oh man. Let's change the name to shells. So we know this works. Not found. It's just slow or something. Let's try a different port. Try like 8080. No, not 80. 80 quad 9. Alright, we'll go back to PHTML. Oh, it's hanging. Come on. Did I send it to the right port? Yeah. It's hanging. I don't have a callback though. There it is right there. Alright, well, maybe it just doesn't like that port. Maybe it has to be on port 443. Oh, shit. I didn't set my listener. There we go. Let's try this again. Come on. It's hanging like it's calling back, and it's executing. Maybe we gotta change the name. Let's change the name again. Shelp. Shelp. Save. Listen on 443. My IP address, port 443. Boom! Finally! Alright. Awesome. Who am I? Data. Took way too long, but we finally got the show. Alright, so now what? I'm in assets monitoring data image. So let's cd to root. What is here? Actually, do we have Python? We do. So let's stabilize the shell as best we can. So let's do Python 3 tech c import pty dot spawn bin bash, enter, and then Control Z, and then stty raw. What is it? Look at my notes. I don't remember the exact syntax. Here it is. Raw attack echo foreground. Okay. Raw attack echo foreground, right? Yes. Export term equals x term. Yes. What is happening? Can I clear? I don't know what I did. We're just gonna have to kill the shell. All right. Exit. Python 3. Exit. I don't know what's going on with this. All right. Close. How do I get out of this? Just close the whole thing and redo it. Clear netcat attack LVMP 3. Listen. What? Okay, almost had an extra space in there or something. All right, now I gotta go back, change the name to Shelps, because you know Shelps are cool. All right, there we go. There's our shell. And should we try the shell stabilization again? Yeah, I forgot that last quotation mark, didn't I? Do I have a paste function in here? All right. Python 3 not found. What? Command Python 3. Oh, it's a capital. God. All right. Paste that. Let's just type it out. Python 3 taxi import ty dot spawn bin bash Invalid syntax. Spelled import wrong. Let's try this again. Let's see if I can type. Import pty dot spawn. I spelled import right. Bin bash. Export term equals xterm. Control Z, background net, and then stty raw tac echo foreground. There we go. Should have clear. Yeah. All right, so we got clear, and we should have tab, I think, now. So it makes our life a lot easier. So, all right, this is a lot neater than that giant list we had before. All right, do I have any pseudo privileges? I'm gonna say no. Yeah, no pseudo privileges. Any SUID binaries? So find. Let's see, what do I have in my notes for that? Find all SUID files. All right, let's try that. Find all the SUID, SGID executables. I can try this on. Let's try just the easy one first. We want to search the entire directory though, or entire file system. Perm equals 4000, and then direct errors to dev null. Ping, unmount, fuser mount. Okay, we got a lot more. Mount, su, ping, fuse, f user mount, snap confine. What is that? That doesn't look right. I don't know what that is. All right, what else we got though? At trace sudo. All those look pretty standard, but I don't know what is this snap. GTF opens got an exploit for us. If this is like not F, GTF opens. Snap confine. What about snap? Okay. I don't have sudo permissions. If the binary is allowed to run as super user, which it is, by sudo, it does not drop the elevated privileges and may be used to access the file system, escalated or maintain privileges. Actually, it runs commands using a specially crafted snap package generated with FPM and upload it to the target. So command ID. So I guess it's the command. It makes a directory, and it prints this to the install, and then it modifies that install to executable, and then it looks like it runs it. So sudo snap install tac dev mode. All right, let's try that. Let's try it without the sudo. Cannot open. Huh. So it's an SUID. So how do I run it as an SUID though? Snapd. Let's look up snap. Let's see how it's done. Let's see if someone did snap Linux Privesk example 30 sock. This exploit bypasses access control, checks to use a restricted API function. To exploit, simply run the script with no arguments on a vulnerable system. So, what's the script? Successful exploitation for this version requires an outbound internet connection and an SSH service accessible via localhost. Okay, the exploit first creates an account at the href login. After confirming it, edit your profile and upload a SSH public key. Then run the exploit like this with the SSH private key corresponding to public key you're uploading. Alright, so I don't understand what that says. Snapd version. Okay, so let's follow this. What is our version? That probably matters. Snapd version. Snap version. Two point 3.2.5. Okay, well it's lower than this version, so it's probably still there. Note that some systems return distribution package version of Snapd when you run this command as opposed to the upstream version shown in the example above. If your Snapd version has a reference or something like an Ubuntu version number appended to it, example, okay, this is mine, then please consult this link to determine if you are running a patched version. Alright, well it's lower, so I don't think this is versions patched. Sure, I guess I have to accept, you know. What's our version? 2.325.1804. Okay, yeah, our version isn't a patched version, so that's good to know. Requires outbound internet connection. We got that. So this exploit bypass access control, checks to use a restricted API function, post v2 create user of the local Snapd version service. This queries the Ubuntu SSO for a username and public SSH key of a provided email address, and then creates a local user based on these values. Successful exploitation of this version requires an outbound internet connection and an SSH service accessible via localhost. We have that. To exploit, first create an account on the Ubuntu SSO after confirming it. After confirming it, edit your profile and upload the SSH public key. First create an account at the Ubuntu, what is the Ubuntu SSO? Please type your email. Okay. Ubuntu, no, let's do like 10-minute mail. Password. No, let's make it easy. Let's make it password. Password 1, 2, 3. Full name, username, name 1, 2, 3. Name 1, 2, 3. Password. Okay, so that's created. After confirming it, edit your profile. Oh, we have to confirm it. To confirm your email address, please click the link below. Let's confirm this. Cool, confirmed. Now I guess we gotta hurry because this only lasts for 10 minutes. Or do we have a way to, okay, get more 10 minutes. We have 8 minutes left. Then run the exploit. After confirming it, edit your profile and upload an SSH public key. Then run the exploit like this with SSH private key corresponding to public key you uploaded. Where's the exploit? Oh. So that would be tech you, your mail, ID RSA. So public key. So we got to generate a public key on our system. So let's do SSH key gen. I don't remember the syntax. Generate SSH key Linux. So SSH key gen attack T. Say, all right, let's do that. Say, don't need a password. Sure. All right, so let's go to copy CD. So we upload the ID RSA pub. So let's ID RSA.pub. Copy nano ID RSA. What is that? Okay. chmod 600 ID RSA. I think I'm doing this completely wrong, aren't I? So I guess let's download this. Ooh, can I open up another? Another tab. Open up another tab and SSH back into that guy. And let's do SSH keygen TRSA. Of git. I don't have git, so sudo apt-get apt install git. Says it's installed. All right. I'm getting tired. We're almost done though. Almost done. 30 sock. Alright, so Python 3 type m http dot server 443. Whoops, already listening on that port. Let's do 9999. And we want this guy to pull down the dirty sock. So you have curl. Alright, so it's curl http dot slash and that and type in IP adder. That. And then we want the dirty sock. Tech output dirty sock dot py. We'll start that listener again. Oh no, yeah, specify the port. What is going on? Alright, let's end that. Try it again. Am I getting a hit? No, it's not even I guess I could just copy it into a file. Nano v1. How to select all in Nano. To select all text in the Nano editor, type the following command in the terminal to open a text file. Man, that's not what I wanted. How can I select and delete all text in Nano? Control A. I did that. With the help of the arrow keys, and then now point your cursor at the beginning of the file with the help of your arrow keys. Select Control A, set the beginning marker. After pressing this key combination, you'll be able to see marker set indicator. All right. Once the beginning mark has been set, make use of the right arrow key to select the entirety of the text file. Okay, let's try that. Well, yeah, that didn't work. Control Shift A. Nope. Maybe we'll just do it on port 80. Serve it on port 80. How about that? That port's probably being blocked by something. Set Python 3 techm http.server 80. Oh man. Oh, looks like it worked. There it is. Okay, let's go to the next part. Okay, and we need the ID RSA. Okay, so all I gotta do is upload the ID RSA now. Version 2 does not require internet or SSH, but may trigger a snapd upgrade. This exploit so if this version 1 doesn't work, we'll try version 2. Because I have a feeling I'm not doing this right. This exploit bypasses access control, checks to use a restricted API function of the local snapd service. That looks a lot easier to exploit. Alright, well, let's try this one first, since I already set all that up. And this ID RSA is no good. We need this one. cd dot root /.sh. Serve that guy up. Back over here. ID RSA 1. Alright, there it is. So let's chmod dirtysock.py. Chmod plus x lstech.la. And it is now executable, so let's Python 3 dirtysock.py. And tech u, my email. Tech u. Email address is something funky. What was it? Tech K. And then ID RSA. Quotes ID RSA. Okay. Quotes ID underscore RSA 1 quote. Bad request. Alright, we're gonna try that. We're gonna try version 2. Sending payload, something went wrong. Here is the API reply. 400 bad request. Do I have to do something on... Oh, SSH keys. I probably have to upload it. That makes sense. Back to this. What's that? Cat ID rsa.pub. We want all this. Paste that in. Following keywords added. Account. Okay. So let's try this again. Success. Enjoy your new account with sudo rights. Are you sure you want to connect? Yes. Password 123. Okay, what now? GitHub. Script will automatically SSH to localhost with the SSH key here. Alright, so I maintain that snapd ID. Who am I? Load key, invalid format. Alright, I guess we'll try again. Let's remove ID RSA and move ID RSA 1 to ID RSA. What is that? What are these? Let's try the 30sock.py again. Now I'm getting a bad request. What? Python 3 30 sock.py tech you email address is that tech k ID RSA k ID RSA. Why is it a bad request though? Cannot create user name. The username name 123 already exists. Oh, okay. Alright, so I messed that up somehow. What are these though? Sudo su? Can I just type my password that I had in before? Alright, we're gonna try version 2 because it looks like I messed this one up. Dirty sock, and then let's Python 3 HT. I almost had that. I don't. HTTP.server 80, and then we want this. Curl HTTP. Dirty sock 2.py. Failed to connect. Connection refused. Why? Did I get flagged? Well, maybe let's get it. Let's get an SSH on this. Can I maybe drop SSH key files? No, I have to have a user on this box. Oh, there's a. It created a user. I guess I should have read the exploit. Soon name 123. Authentication. Root. So I just do root. Or I run root. CD root. What is this? It's a directory. /home. So, what is this password supposed to be? Name 123. ls tag la. cd.ssh. cd.snap. Name Does it set like a default password on this? Script will automatically SSH to localhost with SSH key here. Set a password. Can I do sudo tacky name 23 tackl? cd/dev shm shared memory. Let's see if we can curl let's just call it 32. Pi. Why is it refused? Because I'm not listening. Python 3 p.server port 80. Alright, got it. Good. chmod plus x 32.py. Let's just run 32.py. Probably should have looked at the code again. Connection reset error. Connection reset by peer. Oh man. This exploit's really a pain. What did it say? Line 149. I don't know why I'm looking at that right now. What does version 2 say? This exploit bypasses access control checks to use a restricted API function, post v2 snaps of the local snap service. This allows the installation of arbitrary snaps. Snaps in dev mode bypass the sandbox and may include an install hook that is run in the context of root at install time. 30stocks2 leverages a vulnerability to install an empty dev mode snap, including a hook that adds a new user to the local system. This user will have permission to execute sudo commands. As opposed to version 1, this does not require the SSH service to be running. It will also work on newer versions of Ubuntu with no internet connection at all. Wait a second. cd to back to temp. I have ID roots at name 123. Oops. Attack ID RSA root. That's the profile, right? Oh no. Oh, root at localhost. Insert the content of the public key below. It doesn't have a password. Dude, what? I don't remember setting a password at all. Well, the problem is we haven't had any music this whole time. Don't like that. Load key ID RSA invalid format. Nothing. Am I connected? Your account has no activity yet. Right, we just cannot get this to work. Exits. Nope. C/dev shm. Let's move 30 to temp. C temp. 32. See if it'll work in this. Binding socket, connecting, deleting Trojan snap. Here's the API reply. Content type. You know what? we can just, I guess we'll try a new IDRSA. Let's add a new key. Let's go back to this guy. Let's generate new keys. T RSA. Sure. Yes. CD root slash dot IDRSA. So we need this one. Cat dot pub. Let's remove ID RSA. Let's remove everything in this directory. Remove. I got that backwards. Wait, these are directories? What? Executable? Remove tag R. We're starting over. Remove tag R. Everything from this directory. Yes, I know. Oh, it kicked me out? Who am I? What is this? So I'm connected to root at localhost. Is this machine? I still have time. It's at 34. That's That's my IP address. Okay, let's close that. Alright, I guess we gotta redo that shell. So, set up a listener. Let's modify this. Shell PSS, save that. The first SSH into have to SSH back into Linode machine. And then we have to set up a netcat listener. LVNP 3. Alright, let's run this. Why did I get that? Did the box freeze? Oh, I guess I could get my first flag. It's probably in the Robin. It froze though. Alright. We'll wait. How long have I been on stream right now? I've been on stream for 3 hours. Oh my god. Get 10 more minutes. We gotta update our Etsy host before we run this exploit again. Let's do it. God. Duh. Sudo nano Etsy host. Alright, now we can run that exploit. There we go. This is good. This is a brand new box. So maybe we can get this exploit to work pretty good this time. And then serve that on port 80. Come back here, cd to home/Robin. We gotta find that first flag. Ha, cat read me. No, that's not it. Logs, CD, assets. Monitor. There it is. One.text. I just got in like tunnel mode where I just started going get root. That was like my main goal. I forgot all about the flags. Now I need to get the root flag. Alright, see, make sure to stabilize this. Python 3 tech m, no tech c, import pty dot spawn bin bash double quotes. There we go. And then how do you make the size of the terminal to what you want it? Linux size. See what that comes up with. How to extend columns. That's not what I want. What does export term do? No. You know what? I'm just gonna deal with it. I don't feel like looking it up right now. Export term equals x term. CD temp. And then let's grab this. IDRSA. It's my IP address. Curl http / port 80. I know it should automatically go to port 80, but I'll just do it anyway. IDRSA. I want the output to be IDRSA. There it is. I don't know if we want to change the permissions of that or not. Serve that up, pull down. Yo, let's try Dirty Sock 2 first. Actually, before we even try that. So, curl p address dirty sock v2.py dirty sock resock v2.py. And then echo 32. Chmod plus x32 .py. If this works, it'll be a lot easier. Python 3 32.py. What? Pull down the right. Oh man, I didn't foreground it. Why didn't that work? I pulled it down. Dirty.py. Python 3 dirty.py. What? Line 1? What's wrong with line 1? This is line 1. Is this backwards? Is it exclamation point? No, the shebang is right. Shebang Linux. Yeah, it's the hashtag exclamation mark. So what is wrong with this? It worked the first time I used it. Doc type HTML public line 1. Dirty.py. Oh, it's probably, you know what? It's probably the shell. STTY raw tag echo foreground. Let's just finish it. Now let's try it. Python 3. Dirty.py. Dirty.py. What is this? What? This is the code that I downloaded? I don't know what I pulled down. Remove dirty.py and remove dirty2.py. Oh, did I forget the underscore when I was typing it? I probably did. Yeah, I guess you could tell I'm getting tired. Whoops. So we'll do curl HTTP // what is my IP address, because I can't remember it. Paste that in there. Type O. Dirty2.py. Okay, that looks better than what we got last time. Yeah. All right. All right. Chmod. Let's just Python 3 it. Work. Work. Oh. It worked. You can now use you can now use sudo to the following account and use sudo. Sudo dirty sock. Password dirty sock. Awesome. So cd root. Sudo cat root ls root. Oh wait, I gotta use my password. Dirty can't type right now. Dirty. Alright, so sudo, there's root.txt. Sudo cat root / root.txt. Boom! Did it. It's the last flag. Awesome. Alright, only took 3.5 hours, but we rooted the box. Happy about that. It's a hard box. And yeah. I'm gonna cut the stream off from there, guys. That was that took way longer than it should have, I guess. But I figured it out, so All right. I'm gonna cut it off. Thanks for watching.